So, children, so let us practice some exercise in the activity session. So, now we are in activity part. So, let us practice some more question answers and some fill in the blanks, some matching type, and some drawing. So, the first part in the activity session is answer these questions. So they will give some questions and we have to write answers for those questions. So children, so see the first question. What is photosynthesis? So we have already discussed in the chapter about the photosynthesis. So what is photosynthesis? So children, can you write answer for this? We have already discussed many times about photosynthesis. So the answer for this question is the process through which green leaves prepare food using sunlight, water and carbon dioxide is known as photosynthesis. So children, photosynthesis will be carried out in the leaves, especially leaves, because the leaves are in green color. The green color leaves contains chlorophyll. So the chlorophyll present in the leaves will causes the leaves present in the green color. So the reason for the green color of the leaves is chlorophyll. So chlorophyll is a green color pigment. This chlorophyll helps the leaves to prepare the food. So the leaves prepare their food by using sunlight, water and carbon dioxide. So the process through which green leaves prepare food using sunlight, water and carbon dioxide is known as photosynthesis. So children, the components required for the photosynthesis are sunlight, water and carbon dioxide. So here water will obtained from the roots and carbon dioxide will be obtained from the atmosphere, and by using this water and carbon dioxide and sunlight, the leaves will prepare their food with the help of chlorophyll present in the leaves. So this process is called photosynthesis. So children, see the next question. So the second question is, why is green leaf known as a food factory of the plant? So why is a green leaf known as a food factory of the plant? So children, see the answer for this question. The answer for this question is, the green leaf is the part which produce food in the plant. So the leaves are called food factory of the plant. So children, we have discussed in the first question that leaves will prepare their food by using the process photosynthesis. So the leaves prepares the food required for the plant. That means the food is prepared in the leaves and that food is distributed to every part in the plant. So that's why the leaves are called food factories, are also called as kitchen. So just like in our houses, we will prepare our food in the kitchen and houses. In the same way, the food is prepared in the leaves in the plant. So that's why the leaves part is called food factory of the plant. And that's why the leaf is very, very most important part among the plant. So green leaf is the part which produce food in the plant. So the leaves are called food factory of the plant. So children, so note down this question and answer it in your notebook. So see the next question. So the third question is, what is the importance of chlorophyll in plants? So the third question is, what is the importance of chlorophyll in plants? So children, can you write answer for this question? So try to write this answer for this question. So the answer for this question is, leaves are green because of the presence of chlorophyll. This chlorophyll is important to make food. Children, we will observe different types of leaves. So most of the leaves are in green color, but some plants have their leaves in red color, and some plants have their leaves in yellow color, and some plants have their leaves in white color. So why there is a difference among these leaves? Because most of the leaves present in green color because of the green color pigment present in them called chlorophyll. So chlorophyll will causes the green color for the leaves. So the reason for the green color of the leaves is chlorophyll. It is a green color pigment. So this chlorophyll creates green color for the leaves. So some leaves does not have chlorophyll. That's why they are not present in green color. They are present in red, yellow and white color, etc. So that's why this chlorophyll is very, very important for making food, and this chlorophyll is the cause of the green color for the leaves. So this chlorophyll is helpful in making the food by the leaves. So this is the importance of the chlorophyll plants. So those leaves which have chlorophyll can only prepare their food, and those leaves which does not have chlorophyll cannot prepare their food. So this is the importance of chlorophyll. So note down these question answers in your notebook. So next question. Children, the fourth question is, why is sunlight so important for a plant to make its food? Children, already we have discussed in the first question, second question, the leaves prepare their food in the presence of sunlight and mixes water and carbon dioxide present in the atmosphere. So they can prepare their food when only there is sunlight. So the answer for this question is, in the presence of sunlight, green leaves mix water, minerals and carbon dioxide together to make food. So sunlight is important for a plant to make its food. So children, so plants can prepare their food in the presence of sunlight only. So if there is no sunlight, so the plants cannot prepare their food. So if you take a plant in a dark room and if you observe that plant for 2 or 3 days, then it will become very pale and it cannot prepare their food and even it can die. So why? Because if there is no sunlight, it cannot prepare its food. So especially green leaves. So green leaves prepare their food, so by mixing water, minerals and carbon dioxide and in the presence of sunlight. So sunlight is very, very important for a plant to make its food. There is no sunlight, the plants cannot prepare their food. So note down this question answers in your notebook. Children, see the next question. The fifth question is, what are the functions of the leaves? What are the functions of the leaves? The answer for this question is, so children see, so there are most of the functions of the leaves are given. So there are 5 functions are given. So the first one is, leaves prepare food for the plants. And the second one is, leaves of trees give shade. And the third one is, fallen leaves rot and enrich the soil. And fourth one is, leaves provide food for plant-eating animals. And fifth one is, leaves give out water vapor which cools the atmosphere. So children, these are some functions of the leaves. So the most important function of the leaves is, leaves prepare food for the plants. So the food required the plants will be prepared by the leaves. That's why leaves are very, very important among all parts of the plant. So leaves prepare food by using the process photosynthesis, by using water, minerals, carbon dioxide present in the atmosphere. And the second one is, leaves of trees give shade. So most of the big trees like mango, banyan trees and neem tree, so they will provide shade and cools the surroundings in summer days. And third one is, fallen leaves rot and enrich the soil. Children, some plants will lost their leaves to prevent the loss of water, and the fallen leaves becomes rot and decomposes and makes the soil very humus. So this humus soil helps the plants for healthy growth of the plants. So this is also the function of the leaves. And leaves provide food for plant-eating animals. So some animals, especially herbivores, eat only plants and grass. So that's why these leaves provide food for the plant-eating animals. If there are no leaves, so some animals, especially herbivores, cannot survive because they does not find their food on the earth. And fifth one is, leaves give out water vapor which cools the atmosphere. So leaves have small pores on their surfaces called stomata. So the leaves can exchange their gases and atmosphere through their stomata. So the stomata are very helpful in given out of the water, excess water present in the plant. The excess water present in the plant will be given out through the stomata in the form of water vapor. This water vapor cools the atmosphere, especially during hot summer days. Provides very cool and shade in the summer days. So children, these are the functions of the leaves. So note down this question and answer in your notebook. So go to the next question. So children, this is the next part